A warm welcome to the Vidya Tech Fest 2021. The Vidya Anthem has a way of reminding us of our glory, the long and meandering yet successful journey since its inception. The song has been beautifully composed by Vedyasri, the former principal of the modern school. Let's have the Vidya song sung by our very own children. Grounded in project and application-based learning in science, technology, engineering, art and mathematics as a way to solve problems in a real-world context. TechFest 2021 is an initiative of Vidya to take up the epic task of arranging a digital platform for our beneficiaries to showcase their talent and creativity. We are extremely pleased in welcoming our friends to this online display of artistic talent. The TechFest will be an exhibition of knowledge using science and technology. The event aims to cover STEAM learnings by students, workshops, seminars, digital art and scientific discovery. Virtual stalls set up by our beneficiaries in an organized and a meticulous manner are sure to entertain and inspire critical thinking. I hereby request Nehala to share the video on Pan Vidya's journey on STEAM.
I am Nehala Nagaraja from Vidya's Digital Empowerment Program, and today I would like to share the decade journey of Vidya's annual festival. Our founder, Mrs. Rashmi Mishra's aim is to optimize the potential of the children, youth and women by providing holistic education through schools, collaborations and community programs. The major gaps in the school education system, especially in the government and low-income private schools, are lacking of conceptual understanding and overall growth of the child. Vidya's aim of holistic development is only achievable with a pragmatic approach to education.
Pragmatic approach imparts learning by doing and experiencing things. The objective of science and technology exhibitions is to develop scientific temper and 21st century skills, to create awareness among the communities regarding the role of science and technology in sustainable growth and development.
I, Mary Darius, associated with Vidya for since past 30 years, and proud to be part of the journey of growth. During my journey, I have seen the challenges the community students face. Vidya introduced many initiatives to overcome this. One of our successful initiatives is Science and Maths exhibitions for the community, started in the year 2010. This created a platform for the students to showcase their innovative talents amongst their peers, parents and teachers. In 2014, TechFest was started at Vidya, and year on year, the theme, the participation, depth of projects kept on growing. Vidya's STEAM Fest and TechFest received good response from the nearby school and college visitors. We could observe the improvement amongst the students in creative thinking, problem-solving skills, courage to present in the public forum. Today I am happy to witness the growth and transformation of our students.
I am Roland Krishnan, Program Officer and in the implementation team of the fest. STEAM Fair and Tech Fair scaled from one-day event to multiple days. We started standardized competition. This increased the interest from the students. Parents were also equally motivated after seeing their children's talent. Hence, the participation of more students in the event increased year after year.
We used to conduct the fest in the communities, and once we got an opportunity to conduct this Tech Fest in IIT Bombay campus with the support of Professor Kannan Mudgaya. Demonstration of robotics and Arduino by the faculties of IIT Bombay ignited the students and staff toward emerging science and technology concepts. Our founder and executive director visited and interacted with the students and motivated them.
Last year, under our Vice President Dr. Nayan Dabolkar's guidance, the TechFest at Vidya reached a great level. It was also the very first time the festival was extended to Pan Vidya across Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru. Students from across the cities connected virtually to display their talents. The former Vice Chancellor of the University of Mumbai, Dr. Arun Sawant, inaugurated the festival and interacted with our students. The professors of IIT Bombay judged the various competition rounds of our children. There was an amalgamation of curiosity, innovation, and sparking, sharpened by the greatest talents of our country. The display of emerging technology stalls by Tinkerers Lab from IIT exponentiated the curiosity, the inquiry, and the dreams of Vidya's children. This was covered by media. After seeing these initiatives and results, many experts from various industries volunteered to share their expertise to our staff and students. Our partners and sponsors were delighted to see the opportunities created by our senior management to the lesser privileged beneficiaries of Vidya.
By providing this platform, the students get opportunity to show their hidden talents, exposure to emerging science and technology concepts like robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Vidya inculcates higher aims and ambitions to the students to be the pioneers to reach the country's best educational institutes. We need more hands to support us in this journey of accelerated learning by volunteering, mentoring, and supporting the young talents of our country. Vidya, transforming the community. Vidya sows the seeds of curiosity and thus developing the future society. Thank you.
Vidya's founder chairperson, Mrs. Rashmi Mishra, is our guiding light, a beacon of hope, and an unswerving anchor, and an infinite source of energy for the Vidya family. Rashmi Mishra's journey began 35 years ago. It is a story of humble beginnings and a tireless commitment to a humanitarian vision that transformed the lives of many. Inviting Mrs. Rashmi Mishra, our dear founder chairperson, to address the cosmopolitan digital audience.
Namaskar and a very warm welcome from all of us in the Vidya family for FestX 2021. This is an annual Tech and STEAM Fest, which is science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. It's a pan-India event which will be organized for 7 days, a virtual fest for the first time from the 19th to the 26th of February. As you know, that the most important thing for our country today is to ignite the minds of our children and bring them as leaders who will change the whole concept of how a digitized India is to be born. So in the areas of science and technology, we are looking at innovations that our children can learn and implement to take our country forward. We prepare our students from our side to be the creative thinkers, to be the innovators of the future for the betterment of our society. Led by our Vidya Mumbai team with participation pan-India with more than 500 participants from our students, from our women, from our youth, and with the help of all our teachers, they have created the most amazing and enthusiastically put together a wonderful tech fest just for you. They are very excited to showcase their thought-provoking projects and to solving real-life problems with their concepts and their solutions. They're even talking about the coronavirus and what is the medicine that we require, what is the technology, what is the vaccine going to do for us. Our online events include exhibitions, workshops, webinars, digital art, and a series of lectures. To inaugurate this festival, we are very, very proud to have as our chief guest Mr. Vikram Gupta, founder and managing partner of IVCAP Ventures, and Mr. Akshay Singhal, founder and CEO of Log9 Materials. Our grand finale is we are fortunate to have Mr. Bhavish Agarwal, the co-founder and managing director of Ola. I thank you on behalf of the family for your encouragement. We're looking forward to your inspiring words to make this Tech Fest a very special one for the entire Vidya family. We have an amazing lineup of speakers: Mr. Ashank Desai, Professor Narendra Shah, Professor Kavi Arya, spoken tutorials founder Professor Kannan Modgalia, and motivating workshops on an array of current topics, from incorporating AI in the K-12 curriculum apps on physics, and the Chem Collective, as well as malnutrition in underserved communities. We look forward to your enthusiastic participation and encouragement of our amazing students and the Vidya faculty who have put this all together in this effort to create a virtual platform for FestX 2021. Vidya, with its remarkable journey of 35 years, is currently running 78 projects across India with a focus to educate, empower and transform less privileged children, youth and women. And we have impacted more than 4 lakh lives. Vidya has not only bridged the education gap through its amazing initiatives, which is experimental learning and fun for all our beneficiaries. This you can see when you visit any of the Vidya projects, but that is how the Tech Fest was born. The Tech Fest started in 2010 with very small platform to having exhibitions in science, in maths and in literature for our beneficiaries. And this accelerated its growth and the learning curve of our students by encouraging them to work with their communities and to bring education learning across an entire family. I remember when I visited the Tech Fest in 2011, there was a beautiful father and daughter team in a community of a slum where they created a Gobar gas plant. Just to give you one idea how amazing that was. And this helped the bonding with the family as well. And so starting with that very small way, as a science fair, we have upgraded it to technology in 2013. And year on year, the objective of the Tech Fest has to introduce new and emerging technologies to our students, so to help them to understand and help them to raise the bar of understanding digital concepts and how important they are for the country. So far we've had a large-scale direct impact of more than 500 plus students who were involved in the STEAM Tech Fair. But the indirect impact is almost more than 5,000, which is their friends, their families, who visited these exhibitions and who also participated and actually got inspired by these exhibitions. These events are not only to help our students to be their creative best, but gives them an opportunity to present their work and strengthen their communication as well as their presentation skills. FestX includes exhibition by our students, STEAM workshops by teachers, community mothers, webinars, poem recitation, storytelling, art and digital art, coding concepts, science projects, to robotics, group discussions, chat, shows on debates and product display. All of that is included in this Tech Fest, which we're looking forward to your joining us. I take this opportunity to wish all our students, all our participants, the very best for this Tech Fest X 2021. I'm sure you're going to have amazing stalls, and I look forward to visiting you these stalls and also being part of your discussions and your workshops. Enjoy, learn, and ask a lot of questions. And to the audience, that is all of you who are watching, we look forward to seeing all of you this event. We need your encouragement, we need your love, and our children will be so delighted if you can be a part of this program. I want to thank our very special Mumbai team for the fantastic effort in the planning and the execution of FestX 2021. A special thanks to Dr. Nayan Dabolkar, our Vice President of Vidya Mumbai, Priyanka Mathur, Nehala Nagaraj, Ankit Bhupatani, and 3 cheers to the very amazing Pan Vidya team that has made this all possible today. Let's give them a big cheers. I'd like to end with a quote from our lovable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. India has seen a dream of digital India. From the latest science to the latest technology, everything should be available at the tip of one's finger. One must ensure that technology is accessible, affordable, and adds value. In this digital age, we have an opportunity to transform lives of people in ways that we had hard to imagine just a couple of decades ago. Vidya is working towards this very purpose and to make leaders who will take the vision of our Prime Minister forward. I remember a lovely incident where there was a young woman who was in our computer science center, and she was actually learned without even learning the language or Hindi and English, she went straight up to her computer. So I remember the chief guest asked her, he says, do you know more than your husband? Oh, she says, my husband knows nothing. I can send an email, I can work on a computer. That is the future. That is what we're looking for. Our Vidya's purpose is to teach English, computers and life skills to every student of Vidya, irrespective of their age. And that is why we want them to be the champion of Digital India going forward. Thank you very much from all of the Vidya family, and I wish you all the very best for Fest X 2021. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Rashmi ma'am, for the words of inspiration. Inviting Dr. Nyan S. Dabolkar, the Vice President of Vidya Mumbai, to give his insights on the Tech Fest. Under his leadership, Vidya Mumbai has grown from strength to strength. Dr. Dabolkar is the Chief Manager at IIT Mumbai and is highly respected for his skills in finance and administration.
Very good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. We are delighted to have Mr. Vikram Gupta as our distinguished chief guest for the inauguration of the first virtual Vidya India's Fest X 2021. Sir, thank you so much for joining us for this annual event and taking out your valuable time for our Vidya community. I'm happy to mention that this grand event is organized by Vidya Mumbai and wholeheartedly supported by the entire Vidya team. I am thankful to all and best wishes for every activity of these events. I would also like to thank all our partners, friends, well-wishers and volunteers of Vidya for taking out time from their busy schedule and registering on our online event FestX 2021. Your participation by visiting our various stalls and interacting with our kids will definitely encourage them and boost their morale. This year, as we go virtual, you will be able to see the work of our beneficiaries and teachers across cities under one umbrella. I am extremely grateful to our founder president, Mrs. Rashmi Mishra, for her mentorship and vision of taking Vidya to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Dabolkar. On behalf of the Vidya family, I am pleased to introduce the chief guest of Vidya Tech Fest 2021, Mr. Vikram Gupta. Mr. Vikram Gupta is a founder and managing partner of ID Cap Ventures. Mr. Gupta has over 25 years of experience in private equity, business consulting, merger and acquisitions, strategy and operations in healthcare and life sciences. Prior to founding ID Cap, Mr. Gupta was a founding member at Ajay Piramal sponsored healthcare focused on private equity fund he conceptualized and raised. Mr. Gupta worked in US with IBM Business Consulting Services for over 4 years. Mr. Gupta is the co-chairman of Private Equity and Venture Capital at the Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. Mr. Gupta is an active member of the Indian Venture Capital Association and the Confederation of Indian Industry. He received Distinguished Alumnus Services Award from IIT Delhi in year 2020. On behalf of the entire Vidya family and our friends associated with the cause of Vidya, I wish to extend a warm welcome to you, sir. We also wish to thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you so much, Ila, for introducing me with such kind words. I'm glad to be here to be part of this extremely innovative and creative event. As mentioned by Rashmi ji in her address, this FestX is not only showcasing the creative and critical thinking side of the beneficiaries across India, but also helps them in developing their communication skills as well as presentation skills. Social causes which are focusing on education have always been close to my heart. Vidya being in forefront in this for last 35 years has really taken it ahead by bringing their annual event in a virtual platform. Education and skill development are the two areas under the social umbrella that I am very passionate about. I would love to join hands with NGOs like Vidya who are working at the grassroots level and bringing in change at the community level and impacting the society at large. We observed that during the pandemic, each and every industry faced their pitfalls, and I'm glad to know that Vidya conducted their academic and skills initiatives in online platforms uninterruptedly. I'm very eager to watch the students' achievements in technologies like robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Once again, heartiest congratulations to the entire team of Vidya for putting this year's exhibitions online. And I extend my best wishes to all the participants for putting in their best and doing great work. With that, I declare TechFest to be open. Thank you.
I'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the entire Vidya team for organizing this splendid digital display of talent. Thank you, Rashmi ma'am, for your words of wisdom. You are truly a source of inspiration for all of us. Thank you, Dabholkar sir, for your thoughts on TechFest. Thank you.
Are you choosy? Are you choosy? No worries, no worries. You are spoiled with choices. You are spoiled with choices. All over the web. All over the web. The world comes closer. The world comes closer. Love is near. Love is near. I can connect to all. Many thanks to them. Many thanks to them. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Not even the pandemic. Not even the pandemic. It takes just a few clicks. It takes just a few clicks to walk, to walk. It takes just a few clicks. It takes just a few clicks to pay, to pay. Life is easier, isn't it? Isn't it? To you and to me, and to you. Let us make it easier for all. Let us share the knowledge to all. Let us be the change. Vidya is the change. Let us be the change. Vidya is the change. We are the change. We bring the change. We are the change. We bring the change. Let us celebrate, and you are welcome. And we are honored to have you with us. Let us celebrate, and you are welcome. And we are honored to have you with us. Let us celebrate life. Let us celebrate life. Let us celebrate life.
Dear audience, now the floor is officially opened for your view. Projects are focusing on robotics, real life projects using electronics and artificial intelligence. Our women beneficiaries would be exhibiting their products and showcasing some of the workshops. Our youth beneficiaries will be exhibiting mind-boggling chat shows on problems in communities and dance talents. I would also like to put forth that there are a couple of videos from our students on their creations. Please do click on those videos. A very small and a humble request. I would like my audience to please press the like buttons or comment on the video, because that will help our beneficiaries and encourage their morale. Thank you so much.